I'm your host, Dewey Decimal. This week's new release is entitled Bumbling Through Borneo by Tom Schmidt. We've sent review copies to random people across the world. Now this is what they had to say.
Borneo? Borneo? What the hell is that? Well, it sounds like a breakfast cereal or a cookie. What the hell is Borneo?
Hello. I think the book is very, how do you say it, entertaining. I very much like the food. They're talking about the food all over the book.
Corti con torrente con le storie capollo te torri beketu. Pori corte loco la to iscotalil torri bote colotto a tu le batai. Corte per lo stu correpe torre caliti correpe te co. Ori te co tela. Ori se che le borico de sorbeca tu te revora.
The thing I like about this book, okay, the book concentrates on the environmental issues, okay, surrounding everybody, especially the stuff it is happening in Borneo, okay. So I think it's very important for everybody to read this book.
One of the things I found very interesting about the book is the section on the tattooing. Myself, I have many tattoos. I cannot show them to you, but I found that part of the book very interesting.
Well, we found that the book is becoming so popular, we've actually had to start implementing crowd control at various bookstores. We've had scuffles break out because there's not enough books for sale. We expect this to continue as the book climbs in popularity.
I had a look at the book and I think it's brilliant. You know, I used to do a bit of travelling in my younger days and it's really, really entertaining to read about these adventures.
I mean, this guy Bumbling Bob, he kind of sounds like a bit of an idiot. I mean, what kind of guy goes hiking in the jungle with only one pair of clothes? I mean, come on.
Bumbling Through Borneo has already received many outstanding pre-publication reviews from leading environmental organizations. I wouldn't be surprised if this book goes on to be a bestseller in 2009.
Well, the one thing I like about this book is it talks about the environment, you know, and that's a real important issue, especially for an outdoorsy guy like me. I mean, I just hope my kids have a rainforest to run around and explore. The rate they're going, hell, we're gonna lose everything, you know what I mean?
When I read this book, it was just like going back in time, okay? Like when I was younger, going over to Sarawak to explore the rainforest, the caves, and all these places. It's very thrilling to read, very thrilling.
I don't know. Who has time for reading books, you know? I haven't set foot in a library since the 4th grade, you know what I'm talking about?
I've actually given it to a few of my patients, you know, and the feedback's been quite positive. In fact, it cured one of my patients of, well, we really didn't know what was wrong with the guy in the first place, but now he's okay. He's fine now. He's fine after reading the book. Bumbling Through Borneo would make a tremendous toilet-side companion. If you're sitting on the pot, you can take in a chapter.
I very much enjoyed the book. It's talking about all the backpacking and traveling. Before I was a fire chief, I was doing this kind of thing myself. It brings back a lot of good memories for me. I think the book is actually very good from talking about adventures and travelings and this kind of thing. I would recommend to my friends. Yes, of course.
Well, one thing I learned from the book, which was very interesting, is the place Sarawak is very famous for its black pepper, which is, of course, is a basic cooking spice.
This is the kind of book that is ideal to bring on a stakeout. I mean, we sometimes have to sit for hours on end in our squad cars waiting for an incident to unfold. This book is wonderful because it's very interesting in small doses.
Ripeleko, repekete ti silo ko repete lo di kotila to. Ariko ti sorbe kollo potelo postor tato sekota. Porekete sikolo verde ko repeti sodot. Al tote sakarite pote sekote. Ar de kapoti karite likato sikora patati katarto. Kopatarto. Silikorte tu portikal torte torse. Orikate tu. Oh, pa torre korre peti bot. What? Oh, but orekate si kortik torle portik. Korbekate sir torta. Ote roy.
Actually, we've just received a huge order from the inmates in one of our penitentiaries. This book seems to be very, very popular within the criminal reform system.
Sorete ko torele potere torte ko te la vorta si korta si kotor. Todi malokate la baris ore kata. Aro sara ko jawra pe lo karpito da baris tutar pota para dore sa barabeta. Apa da dore pa? Para tata.
Well, the descriptions of the Sarawak food sound absolutely delicious. It makes me very much want to visit Sarawak just from the standpoint of trying different food and spices.
Well, I've never been to Borneo, and to be honest, I didn't know where the hell it was till I picked up this book, so, I mean, it's been educational for me, that's for damn sure.
One of my favorite parts of the book is the thing that is talking about the caves. Okay, the caves, the Nia caves, the Gunung Mulu, because the caves are formed over millions of years. Okay, very important to protect this kind of treasure. Very important.
I think maybe 4 more years of doing this kind of work, and I will be maybe doing some backpacking myself.
I would give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely. I think it's a brilliant book. I'm really very happy with it.
Yeah, actually, I'd like to travel over there. I'd love to get a look at some of the timber they got over there. I could really use it on my projects. You know what I'm talking about?
Bumbling Through Borneo is a very unique product. It's a combination of a travel log and a comic book. Frankly, I don't think there's anything on the market that even comes close.
Jingle,